Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to design a full About Us page for your Shopify store, including I'll be showing you different sections that you can add to your page, and how to add in-depth text sections to describe your brand's missions and goals. You can follow this video if you're a beginner or newbie with Shopify. And also the About Us page I'll be showing you how to create can be adaptable for clothing brands, makeup brands, dropshipping stores, and other types of business categories. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. To get started, here on Shopify, you're going to want to open your themes page. Then you can go in and customize your currently published theme. First, I'll be showing you how to create a new page in your store to turn into your About Us page. And then I'll be showing you how to lay out the page and customize it to list your brand introduction and About Us text. In your theme editor, you want to click Home Page, then click Pages. And next you want to click Create Template to create a new page template. I've titled this About Us to represent the About Us page. Then I'm going to click Create Template. Then in Shopify, you want to click Online Store, then Pages. And here you'll be able to add a new page to your Shopify store. I've titled this page, then under Theme Template, I'm going to apply that new page template. You want to be sure that your About Us page is set to visible. This way it will appear in your online store. And then I'll be showing you how to add a link to your new About Us page onto your website's main menu. On Shopify, you're going to want to click Content, then click Menus. Here you'll be able to open your main menu and also create a new menu for your store. You want to click Add Menu Item. Then you can add a link to that new About Us page. Then when you open your website, you should see those changes applied to your main menu. I'll be showing you how to lay out your About Us page, so you can get an overview of what types of sections you would like to add. Then I'll be giving you some tips for how to help your page tie in with the rest of your website style and color scheme. And then I'll also be showing you how to customize the page. You want to click Add Section to Template. And I'll be inserting an image banner section. This section is going to be to add an overview and introduction for the brand. I'm also going to scroll up and I'll be hiding away this title section. Then next, I'll be adding an image with text section. You can choose to add a section like this to introduce the founder or creator of the brand. You can also choose to just list a few details about when and how your brand was started. Then I'll be adding a simple, rich text section close to the bottom of the About Us page. Adding a section like this can be a minimal way to list your brand's overall goals and missions. I'll be showing you how to customize each of these sections and how to add your pictures to fully customize your About Us page and help it tie into your website. You'll want to style match your About Us page to tie in with the rest of your website. Here for my website, I've done a white, black, and light gray color scheme with a few pops of bold images. You'll want your About Us page to follow the main color schemes of your website, and you can edit your website's color schemes by clicking Theme Settings, then opening your website's color palettes. This is where you can adjust the different color schemes in your website. Also, if you guys like the layout and style of this website you see here, this is one of my Shopify theme templates. I have a variety of different Shopify theme templates designed for different types of businesses. These can help you to build your website and have a professional look and layout to display your products, services, and more without you having to spend a ton of time creating your website from scratch. In case you're not too familiar with Shopify templates, the Shopify theme will arrive in a zip file format. And when you open Shopify, then click Add Theme, then upload a zip file. You'll have the option to upload that website theme straight into your store, and you can publish it and begin editing it and adding your products. And my Shopify templates are template bundles, so they do include installation guides with instructions and screenshots to walk you through how to install the Shopify theme into your store. And I have a wide variety of Shopify themes designed for beauty, makeup, and skincare businesses, clothing and accessory businesses, and I also have Shopify themes for dropshipping stores and coaching businesses. Most of my Shopify template bundles also include additional templates like web banner templates, logo templates, and more. If you're looking to save the time from having to design and lay out your website from scratch, you can grab one of my Shopify themes from my website, which I will link in the description box below. To change the color schemes for your About Us page sections, you'll want to click on a section. Then right next to color scheme, you'll be able to apply a new color scheme to that section, and you can choose your website's main color schemes. Another website tip would be to consider adding an About Us section to your website's homepage, adding a mini brand introduction or mini About Us section to help to give a mini overview of your brand for your new customers and site visitors. Next, I'll be showing you more ways to customize each section of your About Us page. For the main image banner section, next to banner height, you can choose to adjust the height display for the image banner. You can also choose if you would like to show the container on desktop or not. You have the option to edit the desktop content alignment in case you would like to realign the text and button labels. Then you can choose to upload 1 or 2 images for the background banner of this section. You also have the option to increase the image overlay opacity in case you would like to make the overall images darker, which can possibly help the text to stand out more. I'm going to click on this heading text, and here you can choose to type in an introduction for your About Us page. You can type About Us or Brand Introduction. You can also choose to edit your heading text, so you can adjust the sizing of the text, and you can also put it in bold, italic, and you can insert a link leading to another page within your store. I'm going to click on this text description section, and in your description, this is where you can list your brand introduction / your brand overview text. For a tip, you can choose to use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you write out your brand description text. And you also have a few different editing options for this text. You can select the text and edit the text style. You can also put the text in bold and italic. When you click on this button label section, you can choose to retitle these button labels and link them to other pages within your store, or you can also just choose to remove the button labels. Here's also an example of how the mobile display can appear. Next, I'll be showing you how to add a Meet the Founder or Meet the Creator section for your About Us page. I'll be using this image with text section, and next to image, you can choose to insert a new image to represent this section. Next to image height and also desktop image width, you'll be able to adjust the size display of the picture. Then you can adjust the desktop image placement for if you would like it to appear on the left or right side of the screen on desktop. Then you can adjust the desktop content position, which will be the positioning of the text and button label. You'll also have the option to customize the desktop content alignment for if you would like to center it or reposition it. Next, I'm going to click on this heading text, and here you can add your heading text to either introduce yourself as the brand founder, or you can introduce the history about your brand, and you can also describe why you decided to start your brand. Then in the text box is where you can insert your main description text. I'll also be removing this button label. And here's the finished display of this section, and here's how it can appear on a mobile view. Also, Also, if in general you're not too familiar with the use of Shopify, I do have an in-depth Shopify basics guide that has a wide range of sections teaching how to use Shopify, how to set up Shopify payments, how to read your analytics page, launching products, and also how to launch your store. In this guide, I've included video tutorials, written text explainers, and screenshots to help you navigate Shopify and understand each section of the guide, and I will link that in my description box below. Then next, I'll be showing you how to customize the last section for the About Us page, which will be this rich text section. I'll be showing you a way that you can customize your section to list your brand's mission and goals. You can choose to edit the desktop content position, as well as the content alignment. And you can also select if you would like to make this section full width or not. I'm going to click on the heading text, and I'll be retitling the heading. Next, I'm going to click on this description text, and here I'll be inserting the text to describe the brand's example, mission, and goal. And you can choose to list off a few of your brand touchpoints, including the quality that you offer and what makes your brand unique. Once you're done adding your text, for the button label link, you can choose to link this to another page in your website, including a collection page or shop all page, or you can also choose to link it to your contact page. That's how to add a beginner-friendly section to describe your brand's mission and goal. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you are interested in this Shopify template, I will have this link in my description box below. And I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify templates designed for clothing, apparel, beauty, and many other types of businesses. If you're not too familiar with Shopify theme templates, after your order, you're going to receive it in a theme zip file format. And here on Shopify, you'll have the option to install that theme zip file straight into your store. You'll be able to edit the sections, and you'll be able to add your pictures and products. Most of my Shopify themes are template bundles, so they do include other templates like logo templates, banner templates, and more. Those will be linked in my description box below. Thank you all so much for watching.